having a competent federal government again, thanks to summitshuffleboard.com. A string of unpronounceable characters, rontothedork.com. HPL is my favorite racist science fiction author. PKD is a close second. Malika Chandler, trisecular manslaughter. Soggy Pants, the leftist textualist, says the Fourth Amendment already prohibits civil asset forfeiture. Adam Costa, J. Aldenwalt, donate now to Red Cross, providing oxygen, first aid, ambulance services, and PPE to India. Well, that's fantastic. Adopt a homeless pet in a postie going in ear docking. Date jury, belly, and packy. At last, baby. Heather L. Matthew Vernon. Seattle is the best place for the first
5% jump from just a week ago, and hospitals there are now considering rationing care. NBC News correspondent Aaron McLaughlin is in Los Angeles.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Allison, well, officials are calling this a crisis.
That's a great place to stand.
Oh, yeah, thanks. Great place to drive.
Some people disagree with me on. I think that's kind of a common vision fallacy, where you're just assuming that the part has the same property as the whole, which I don't agree with.
Right.
And it seems like that. I know you're saying you're not doing that, but
to this, and it has to do with positive risk and negative risk. We identify less risk with negative risk, meaning that if I sit here and do nothing, it seems to us
by saying false things about Dominion. Yeah, of course. We're not even going to talk about that. So, but we are going to...
Rush, which is like a medical system in the Chicagoland area. And I wrote a piece that I really enjoyed about a woman who had a melanoma on her foot and was told she would have to we're going to save your foot. And she said to me, or whatever, but like, I don't have a problem with people being religious. I have a problem with people being...
Entertainment purposes, is not intended as legal advice and does not form an attorney-client relationship. Don't take legal advice from a podcast.
Hello and welcome to Opening Arguments. This is episode 496. I'm Thomas.
They're not
That's Andrew.
on.
How you doing, sir?
I am fantastic.
That they will just find an excuse to put it back, and then they'll win. But, so don't think I'm like some huge optimist, but if somehow, I think Zuckerberg already let him back, but the Twitter guy, if he didn't let Trump back, I actually think it's a huge blow to Trump. And the evidence of that is he had to...
not even using it during
no one read, and then he shut it down after 28
No lights in your car.
I think social science research agrees with me. You don't need us to regurgitate facts that are out there in other media outlets that are not, part of the documents.
If there's not a document out there for Andrew to Scroogeman jump into, he's not covering. He told me that.
Like there's a bike lane over here or over there.
And in the meantime, we'll also build the foundations for a technology that could skyrocket us into a world of better health. And instead of messaging it that way, we turn it into one man's political game.
Yep.
And the same thing happened in Brazil with Bolsonaro. And the same thing happened with a bunch of fucking autocrats all over the country. They took this and they tried to use it for personal gain through messaging. And we have a new system where that shit goes viral. And these viruses now carry next to each other, right?
Yeah.
The virality of the message is now carried on the fucking back of the virus or vice versa. And it is a huge problem.
Yeah, messaging problems, it's
job.
almost insurmountable. It's so tough to look at. And to change them.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Go. Bike lane's not a parking spot. Sidewalk's over there.
Vessels are still getting paid for the nothing that they offer at all. Right? So there's no official number on this, but it's believed that before this pay cut, Cardos were earning something like 85 grand a year in addition to their...
Yeah, like it has a thermostat and like a fountain of youth. It sounds like
Yeah, no idea. But they're super comfortable, they look great, and you'll never want to take them off. Or how about the wrinkle-free Pika Polo? A design that keeps you fitted for the office, the golf course, at home, the gym, or on your next date. Each piece of clothing...
That's a great place to park, Domino's guy.
When they get called out, especially if it's somebody that's knows what they're talking about, I think we can all assume who we're talking about. When they say
right there is one way of knowing with a sample, and I would say it's a way of knowing that the post-enlightenment era is only now making a comeback, but I think it's a legitimate way of knowing is experience.
I recommend checking out Credit Karma. Credit Karma has always been there to help you make better financial decisions. Now they have even more ways to help. With a Credit Karma Money Spend account, you can be rewarded for good money habits. When you use your Credit Karma Money debit card, you can win daily instant Karma purchase reimbursements on items up to $5,000. Just pay with your debit card, and if you win, you'll be notified on the spot, and your instant Karma cash will be added back to your spend account. Credit Karma Money...
Back of every bus, on every billboard, in every retirement community in Florida, and you are correct that the pitch would be like, hey grandpa, like, why does your post only have 23 likes and Antifa gets 1 million?
Is your racism not getting enough good feedback?
No.
I bet you've been shadowed.
I bet you have, but fortunately it's not going to happen. C, it must inform its users before changing the terms and conditions and cannot change those more than once every 30 days. Again, I'm okay with that one. Like, in the abstract, that's totally...
That's a great parking spot. Good job. See all these cars behind you? Good job.
I was just like, what in the fuck is this? That was my reaction. So then when they turned out to be like game-eating, I was like, yeah, good.
No big
right?
loss.
Yeah, I don't feel anything, right? And so, and then plus then it gave me like a real reason to hate them, not just that everybody likes their sandwich and I don't, right? Which is, you know,
which is your standard reason to hate something.
That's why I hate something. Yeah, is that I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with everybody, right? I clearly am the authority on the chicken sandwich.
Way to park in the street.
Obviously. Yeah.
Don't eat at Chick-fil-A. Just don't
Stay
do
away.
it.
Just stay away, people.
And
I know you love the sandwich.
There are now
There's
plenty
another one.
of alternative options for you, and apparently some of them will donate to something that Chick-fil-A will hate.
And there's like, I don't know if they're any better, but they can't be worse than Chick-fil-A sandwich.
There you go. Well, I'm gonna leave us with a guy. This is a pastor.
You're not cool.
He's hit our radar.
Mahomes on, run rolling, wide open, making the catch at the 44-yard line. Tyreek Hill for a first down.
I am here to tell you, you can probably tell from my generally
Wrong way,
sunny
Dick
demeanor.
Cheese.
The Washington Supreme Court was like, well, thank you very much.
Like, I looked at him and I was just thinking, you know, he probably has never really contemplated his existence and why he's here. He's probably never thought about that. And even if he has, it doesn't seem like he's bothered by it too much. And he seems to get along okay. So I think maybe if he can do it, maybe I can too. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, they don't seem too concerned about it and they're all right.
Oh, really?
In this case, Gavin Newsom's not as unliked as they need him to be to oust him from office. So it